Hello everybody, we're going to be doing a review today of a Bulova watch that is the model number 98 B like boy 223. So if you received a watch and you're complaining that the watch is not working, number one reason could be the person that shipped it to you did not remove this thing over here. It's called a crown stopper. So once you remove this, then you can actually push the crown in, and which will activate your watch. Now you're gonna notice that this hand is still not moving, and a lot of the times people think that is the second hand, but in this case, for this particular watch, your second hand is not there. Your second hand is actually located at 6 o'clock right here, that little circle. I'm gonna move the hand so you can see it. So that little circle right there that is currently ticking is your second hand. Tick, tick, tick. Now, this hand on top is your stopwatch. So what is a stopwatch? A stopwatch is basically to time yourself from point A to point B, or if you're doing something and you want to know how much time you spent, you can use the stopwatch functionality. You press this button to activate it. I just did, and boom, it started working. Every time this will make a round trip indicating 1 minute elapsing. This gauge right here that is located at 9 o'clock is going to tick once, indicating 1 minute passed. So I'm going to wait about a minute until this one, this hand moves, so you can see how that happens. Secondly, we're going to talk about, until that happens, a couple of other functions. It has a date window that is located at between 4 and 5, so you can see what date it is. And this gauge here shows you if it's AM time or PM time. If it's on this right hand side, that means it's AM time. If the hand is on the left hand side, that means it's PM time. So if you're between 24 and 12 on this side, you are AM time. So the minute is getting really close. It's almost there. A couple more ticks. And there you go. That moved a click, as you can see. So that means 1 minute passed. So if it comes to 15 minutes passed, 30 minutes passed, 45 minutes passed, you can time yourself basically up to an hour. So I'm going to stop it with the same button and reset it using this. Now, if you are not using the stopwatch functionality, I would just suggest you keep it that way, like stopped. If you do want to keep it running, you can. It should stop after a certain amount of time, and it'll go back to 12 again. But if you're not using it, just keep it at that. So let's talk about setting this watch. So first of all, you pull it out one click to set the date. So if you're looking now, the date is changing. All right, I pull it out another click now to set the time. So we're gonna go right now, it's at 4 a.m., 6 a.m. As you notice, this is moving at the same time. And there you go. Right now it's 12 p.m. We'll set it at 2 p.m. almost, 1:50. And push it back in. And your second hand gets activated again, and now your watch is going to continuously work. Follow our page. If you have any questions, of course, you can send us an email to one of our team members, and you can visit our website at www.eliadam.com, eliadam.com. Thanks.